Hello, everybody. Today, let us begin with another topic. As we all know, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Now, what is the subject and what is the predicate? We'll see. Look at these sentences. Mango is the king of fruits. So can you see how it is divided? Mango is the subject and is the king of fruits is the predicate. Children are playing happily. So children is the subject and are playing happily is the predicate. The ringmaster controls the animals in the circus. The ringmaster is the subject and controls the animals in the circus is the predicate. Now, what did we understand by these examples? Subject is that part of the sentence that tells us about the doer of action or what or whom the sentence is about. For example, look at some more sentences. Fruits are good for your health. So what is the sentence about? It is about the fruits. What is it telling you? That they are good for your health. Now Shin-chan. Shin-chan is my favorite cartoon. Yes, Shin-chan is the hero here. Now Neela. Neela has a good handwriting. So Neela is the subject. Now look at the other part. Predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us about the subject. It contains the verb. So, what is told about fruits here? That they are good for your health. Shin-chan is the subject as we saw. Is my favorite cartoon is the predicate. Now Neela is the subject. And what is told about her? That she has a good handwriting. So, whatever is told about the subject is called predicate. The subject and predicate can be a single word or a group of words. Now look at this first sentence. Ramu and his friends went for a movie. Now as you can see, the subject is Ramu and his friends. Is it a single word? No, it is a group of words. In the second sentence, birds fly. Birds is the subject and fly is the predicate. In the first sentence, subject is also a group of words, predicate is also a group of words. But in the second sentence, both are single words. Now, we always think that the first word itself is the subject. No, it needn't be. Look at the sentence here. Long ago, a lion lived in the forest. Now, what is the sentence about? It is about a lion. So, the subject here is a lion. Is a lion the first word in the sentence? No. Long ago is the adverb. We'll leave it to the side. Subject is a lion. So, did we get that? Now look at a glance. Sentence is divided into two parts. Subject, predicate. What is a subject? Subject is that part of the sentence that tells us the name of the doer or what the sentence is about. Now look here, a butterfly, that is the subject. Now a predicate, that part of the sentence that tells us about the subject. What happened to the butterfly? Let us see in this part. Butterfly comes out of a cocoon. So butterfly is a subject and the other part is the predicate. So thank you for watching. Are you going great with this grammar class? See you soon. Have a nice day.